a world of fur and playful glee, lived a kitten, friends with a dog named Lee. Lee, the pup, adored the camera's flash, posing for pics, striking a pose with panache. But his hunger was legendary, you see. Food vanished fast, like a tasty spree, devouring treats with a wild delight. Every bite, a flavorful flight. In the house, a parrot, cheeky and wise, learning pranks from crows, quite the surprise. With beak jabs and sneaky peeks, kittens shock as the parrot speaks. Through squabbles and laughter, their bond was true. Kitten, Lee, and Parrot, a quirky crew. Furry friends, each unique in their way. In their wild adventures, they'd always sway. And when the kitten's paws grew sore, Lee carried him home, their spirits soar. A friendship so special, a joyous ride. Together they'd conquer, side by side. Please subscribe.